Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a call in Pipedrive quickly and keep everything organized for easy follow-ups. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Activities. This is where you manage all your tasks, calls, and meetings in one place. Once you're in the Activities section, look for the plus icon at the top and click it to create a new activity. In the form that appears, begin by adding a clear subject for your call so you know exactly what it's about. Then, link the activity to the correct contact person and, if needed, associated with a deal or organization. Next, make sure to set the activity type to Call. This helps keep your records organized and makes it easier to filter your activities later. After that, choose the date and time for the call. If you use reminders, you can set one so you don't miss it. You can also use the Notes section to add talking points, an agenda, or any important details so you're fully prepared when the call starts. Before saving, quickly review everything to make sure the details are correct. Then go ahead and save the activity. That's it. Your call is now scheduled and will appear in your activities list, ready when you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.